If you want to Jannah, then do Salah like Ibrahim alayhi salam, like Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who did the good way for the Jannah. Try always attach with Allah like you want to give some order to stay living in Jannah, which Jannah can give us like a spacious thing or peace like you want, which is not for a waiting thing, which is not like earth. This earth cannot be attachable thing, cannot be attachable living moment place, which place is like dark, like this is not a good place. This is just a few moments for stay, or we want the Jannah, then we do Salah. We need Salah. Please do Salah for yourself, for you, because of Allah gave us the precious thing which moment stay in Jannah. Stay with Allah. Please help Allah. Allah will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.